set. And they're off. Whiskey Diamond off to a slick start. And there goes Whiskey Diamond heading off to the front. Miss Springsteen's away in second. Then it's Halo Effect out in third. Crystal M with that one. Extra Crafty on the fence. Shaka's Lyric early trailer. And Whiskey Diamond going fast. As fast as she can for as far as she can. And Louis Rivera say, whoa, easy. But there's no easy here to Whiskey Diamond. Whiskey Diamond, 3 furlongs to go, 5 to the good. Miss Springsteen is second. Gap back to Crystal M third. Extra Crafty fourth. Halo Effect is currently fifth. Shaka's Lyric well back. Whiskey Diamond still in front at the quarter pole. The lead diminishing. Miss Springsteen is cutting into the margin. And then it's Crystal M. Extra Crafty moves to the outside. Whiskey Diamond still in front. Miss Springsteen trying to catch her. Whiskey Diamond, 1 furlong to go. Miss Springsteen gaining ground. Extra Crafty is into third. Final 16 to go. Whiskey Diamond still in front. Miss Springsteen running out of time to catch her. But here she comes, a late burst. Miss Springsteen catches Whiskey Diamond. Extra Crafty was there to photo for second. Crystal M finished